Alright, we have a, what year car is it?
2003.
We have a 2003 Toyota Corolla. 1 NZ engine. This car was manufactured in Singapore, so we had originally had a transmission in there that uses a speedometer, a speed sensor over the diff section. But we are having a challenge locating back a transmission which uses this sensor. So what we intend to do, we intend to use the ABS to operate the speedometer, and we have now gotten, instead of an 8-pin transmission, we have now gotten a 9-pin transmission. A 9-pin transmission. So we're gonna do a conversion. What we're gonna do, we're gonna ground one leg coming from the transmission, because the solenoid now has a 2-pin solenoid down there instead of a single-pin solenoid. So we're gonna do a grounds on this red wire to ground the solenoid outside. The computer will still read the solenoid and activate it. Originally this solenoid has a 6 ohms. The 8-pin solenoid has 12 ohms, but the computer will still operate the solenoid because it's getting grounds from the solenoid. So it's reading it as being a good solenoid. So we're gonna ground this, and we're gonna run a wire from the ABS computer over here. We have the ignition here. So below the ignition, we have this empty pin here. So it's 1, 2, 3. The ignition, the next one, and the empty one. We're gonna put a wire in the empty one, and we're gonna run it over to where our speed sensor is and connect it up so that the speedometer will function.